Hi everyone. Tonight I wanted to bring to you a process video showing you how I use the end of a kit. This weekend I worked with May 2017 Hip Kit Club, and it had a lot of Pink Fresh in it, some Dear Lizzie, some Amy Tangerine, and a little bit of Chamel is what it was based on. This Dear Lizzie paper is, the other side is balloons, hot air balloons, and it is a lovely day up and away. But this is one of the few full sheets that I have left, and there's a challenge in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club to, they challenged us to do a layout about water. So I have some pictures of us going to the lake while my daughter is doing conditioning for volleyball. They had beach workouts, but me and my husband, we took her there, and then we were able to walk the beach and just see the scenery and stuff. So we had a good time, and I wanted to scrapbook that. So what I did is I have this one piece of paper that I cut left from, this is Amy Tangerine On a Whim. I really like that side, but I did not use that side on any of my layouts. I used this black and white squared paper, and everything I used this on, I really liked the outcome of it. I could use some more of that paper. But I also decided that a lot of my layouts I did this weekend were either horizontal or diagonal, and I wanted to go with the band design. So I started with a full sheet of paper, and then I went and found 12-inch scrap that could do the band design for me. Then the next thing I went and I found another piece of paper. This is Pink Fresh. I think it's Dream On. I don't know what the name of it was, but it has like sketched circles on it. And I thought I'd put that behind my band. And then I went into my border strips, and I found this yellow piece of paper, bringing in some of that yellow there. I don't know if that's going to stay or not, because I do like this branding strip as well. This may find its way on the page. So I'll put that off to the side for right now. And then in my scraps, I found this tone on tone, just to add a little texture. I thought that kind of looked cool halfway going across. I'll have to trim that up. And then I was like, what's next? What am I going to do next? I got 6 pictures that I want to put on this page, and I need something to add. So this weekend I sorted all my stickers by categories, and I have one drawer that's beach and vacation. So I went to that drawer because I labeled them all, and I found this Sunshine. It's by Soft Spoken. Me and My Big Ideas. It looks like I might have gotten this at Tuesday Morning. So they had summertime. They had a sun, which looks awesome. So I'm gonna layer like that. They only had one flip-flop, which is kind of driving me crazy. I may go look for another pair of flip-flops. They had Making Waves. And then these 2 little bubbles that say Sunshine and Heat Wave, which it was hot. So I was going to put those down there. And then I printed my 6 pictures. Now I printed them smaller because some of them are just snippets, or they weren't good pictures. Like this was the team practicing, just showing that that's what they were doing. It's me and my husband, the Cleveland sign, just taken far away. I mean, I would have to blow that up for it to look, but the city's in the background. And then here we are on the swing, and where we were, and then again, the city of Cleveland. So I don't know what I'm going to back these in. It's either going to be black or white, but I'm going to have to back them in something for them to pop. So I have those. And then I also found these little splashes. So I may use, probably not the pink ones, but I think this peach would go. I think I could get away with the green and the blue. We'll see what happens with that. But I'm going to ink all of the edges and get this glued down, and then I'll come back with the final product and see what where we went with what I have so far. Okay, so this is my final layout. I stuck true to pretty much what I said I would do. I just added a few things. I did ink the papers in Tim Holtz Hickory Smoke. I added this little cluster down here. I found this Quality Time in my stash, and I added this Teresa Collins label and some Baker's Twine. Over here I added the splash and this little half circle because the Making Waves wasn't showing up. Your eye wasn't going to it. So that helped with that. And I also, that scrap piece of paper, I did Heidi Swap embossing folder, which this reminds me of like a break wall. So just a little extra detail. I added some spot for my journaling. I have my title, and I backed the layout in a 12 by 12 black piece of paper to just kind of make it pop off the page a little more. And so that's pretty much it. It was pretty quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed my first process video, and I am sure I will be doing more. Thank you.